Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and can salsa, full guide. Start by sterilizing jars, prepping tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cilantro, and measuring vinegar and salt precisely. Heat a canner and keep lids hot so jars seal properly. Follow tested acidity levels by adding vinegar or lemon juice to ensure safe preservation. Work with a timer and clean surfaces, and label jars with contents and date before storing them. Prep makes canning easy and consistent, so rinse produce, core tomatoes, and dice vegetables uniformly for even cooking. Roast peppers and onions to deepen flavors, then cool and peel as needed before chopping. Combine measured vinegar, salt, and spices in a pot and bring to a gentle boil to meld flavors. Skim foam, adjust seasoning, and keep the mixture hot until you pack jars to avoid loss of heat and seal failure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more canning tutorials. Quick recommendation: consider comfortable, durable socks while you stand at the stove. They make long prep sessions easier and more fun. I mention a favorite pair with a lifetime warranty that I use during canning. Be sure to check the description for that link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When canning, work efficiently to keep jars hot and prevent temperature shock that causes breakage. Fill jars leaving headspace, wipe rims, apply lids, and tighten bands fingertip tight to allow air to escape. Lower jars into a boiling water bath and process for the tested time for your jar size and altitude. Remove jars to a towel, let seals set undisturbed, then test lids and store sealed jars in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.